Hi, I am Zakay and I am the creator of the Perfect Home Decor channel.
My videos often get questions. How are these videos created? Are these interiors actually real? So today I'd like to answer these questions in more detail and show the entire behind the scenes process. Each video starts with a different, specific idea, not a fixed template with a modified theme. Some ideas arise from questions in the comments, others from patterns I notice in real interior design projects. While this may seem like the easiest part, for me, the hardest part is finding the idea for each new video. Each video begins with an analysis of competitor videos, trends, search queries in my niche, and most importantly, your comments, which I read and which also serve as inspiration for new videos. Once I find the right angle, I write the script myself. Before writing a script, I also study design principles and explore how color and light affect the atmosphere of a space. This isn't just personal taste, there's a real logic behind most of my recommendations. For visual design, I use Midjourney, and I want to say this up front. For each scene, I write a specific script, create several options, and discard most of them. The lighting might be wrong, the composition might not match the mood required by the script at that moment. I'm selective. I don't just choose the first option that comes my way. Then comes editing, which frankly takes the longest. Sometimes a single video can take up to 10 hours to create. I sync each image to the exact moment in the narrative where it should be, and I adjust the pacing of each shot individually. A slow zoom for a quiet moment, a faster zoom for emphasis. These are deliberate decisions made for each shot individually. Each video is a small research project, and I really want to show people different ways to decorate their homes. Not just show beautiful rooms, but help you think about what will truly make your own space your own, and one that will be a joy to live in, both for you and for those you share it with. I want to make one thing very clear. My videos are not a recurring series. Each project is a separate, independent study, and this is reflected in the different structure, examples, and angles of each video on this channel. So here's the honest version. Not a studio, not a team, just one person conducting research, forming an opinion, and spending way too much time adjusting the timing of a single image. Thank you for your question. If you're interested in any specific aspect of this process, let me know in the comments, and I might make a follow-up video about it.